Capital One Classic Credit Card features, strengths, weaknesses. The Capital One Classic Credit Card is designed primarily for individuals with fair credit or those just starting to build their credit history. Key features include a potentially low credit limit, often starting around $300, and the possibility of an increased credit line after making your first 5 monthly payments on time. It also offers $0 fraud liability, purchase security, and access to Capital One's CreditWise tool for monitoring your credit score. A significant strength is its accessibility for those with limited or damaged credit. Unlike many rewards cards, this one focuses on providing a pathway to establishing credit without requiring an excellent credit score up front. Another benefit is that it doesn't charge an annual fee, making it a low-cost option for building credit. However, the card has limitations. Its major weakness lies in the lack of rewards. You won't earn cash back, points, or miles on your purchases. This makes it less attractive for those already possessing good credit who can qualify for cards with robust rewards programs. Interest rates tend to be on the higher end, a common characteristic of cards targeting this credit demographic, so carrying a balance is strongly discouraged. Additionally, the limited credit line can be restrictive, requiring careful budgeting to avoid exceeding your limit and potentially incurring fees or negatively impacting your credit score. While some users report receiving credit line increases over time with responsible use, this is not guaranteed and may take several months or even years. Ultimately, the Capital One Classic is a tool for credit building, not for earning rewards or enjoying premium perks. If your primary goal is to establish or repair your credit history, and you're committed to responsible spending and on-time payments, this card can be a valuable stepping stone. However, as your credit improves, you should explore options with better rewards and lower interest rates to maximize the benefits of credit card usage. The Classic is a good starting point, but not a long-term destination for most users.